Hair loss, split ends, uneven hair growth, dandruff troubling you a lot, oily hair, dry hair, fizzy hair, damaged hair bothering your appearance, tired of not getting best results with every shampoo and conditioner you use? Just relax. AE Naturals proudly presents Herbal Shampoo plus Conditioner with 100% natural ingredients. AE Naturals Herbal Shampoo plus Conditioner helps to keep your scalp healthy and free of infection. The key ingredients in the product stimulates your scalp and improves the circulation of blood, resulting in follicles that are well nourished. Tremendous amount of conditioning agents promotes hair growth abundantly. Herbal shampoo plus conditioner is suitable for both men and women of all hair types with no side effects. To order, please visit our website www.aenaturals.in. You can also call or WhatsApp us at the above mentioned numbers. Our products are available at Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho and other e-commerce websites. One fantastic solution for all your hair care. Nurture and nourish hair from roots. Use AE Naturals Herbal Shampoo plus Conditioner.